If you want to stay on top of global finance or tech headlines, but don't have time to read article by article, AI News Anchor can automatically summarize the key updates for you, just like your personal news broadcaster. After installing the template, the setup is very simple. Go to Settings in the top right corner and look for the prompt input box. Paste in the RSS feed URL you want to track. You can add multiple RSS feeds and note whether it's financial news or tech updates. To better fit specific workflows, the prompt can be adapted to your own context, with data sources bringing in custom content, and skill sets enabling actions like saving the briefing to a database, or emailing it directly to teammates, all with flexible configuration for multiple use cases. Then just type a command like, "Summarize today's financial news." Within seconds, it will read the RSS feed and generate a clear 3 to 5 minute briefing, well-structured and complete with direct source links, perfect for Slack, daily reports, or newsletters. Visit Bika.ai, go to the Template Center and search AI News Anchor. Install and connect your RSS to instantly activate fully automated news briefings.